Hi everyone, we're going to write an explicit formula for this sequence, 2, 5, 10, and 17, and so forth. And when it means write an explicit formula, that means we've got to use our term, our n, that's part of our sequence. For example, for this sequence here, this is my first term, this is my second, my third, my fourth, my fifth, my sixth, my seventh, and so on. So we're going to use these numbers. So this is called your index numbers. This is I, sorry. Let me write that again. It's hard to write on this. So your index numbers. We have to use 1. We have to use 2. We have to use 3 and 4 and so forth. So basically, when I'm doing this, I'm looking for 2. And I have to use 1. So to get 2 from 1, I'm just going to add 1. So that gives me that. Now I have to use 2. And I want to use the same formula here, so I want to add 1 to this from here. Adding 1 here, I want to add 1 here. And the only way I can get a 5 from that is to square the 2. So let's see if it works for the third term. And that's why they always write at least 3 terms down. You can't find a pattern if you only have 2 terms. So I'm going to use the n, my 3. And I'm going to go ahead and put the plus 1, and I'm going to see if this works. So that's going to be squared. 3 squared is 9. 9 plus 1 gives me my 10. So let's try it one more time. I have to use the 4. I have to put the 1, and we're squaring it. And let's see if that works. So 4 squared is 16 plus 1 is 17. And then we'd have 5 squared plus 1, 6 squared plus 1, and 7 squared plus 1, and so forth, ... So anyway, now that we've found out the formula, my n, and I could actually square my 1 here. So for my explicit formula, where we're using the index numbers here, these right here, I'm going to use my n, and what did I do to it? I squared it, but then I added 1 to everything. Just remember on these explicit formulas to use your index number. It'll make it a lot easier. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.